My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Vauxhall Grand Land X. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 31,000 miles with an automatic transmission. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers and a keyless ignition. On the screen we can get quick access to our audio, navigation, our flow, statistics, charge and eSave. We also have Apple and Android CarPlay as well as MirrorLink, as well as our vehicle settings and driving functions. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a front and rear camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have heated seats on either side, as well as our AC. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between four-wheel drive, sport, hybrid and electric. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.